हरिओम। भीतर है सखा तेरा सखा मन लगा के देख. A beautiful bhajan that reminds us that God is within us. He's our bestest friend, truest sakha, always approachable, accessible every moment, 24/7, with whom we can share everything and enjoy a life full of joy, bliss, and purpose. God keeps us engaged in His work and makes the most of our life if we have unshakable faith in Him and surrender unconditionally to His divine will for us. भीतर है सखा तेरा सखा मन लगा के देख, अंतःकरण में ज्ञान की ज्योति जला के देख. Your truest friend, your sakha, God, is within you. See this with your inner eyes and a focused mind. Ignite the light of spiritual knowledge within your heart and see your sakha. So after walking the spiritual path, we all have experienced presence of God within us, isn't it? We have witnessed our true companion within ourselves when the true Guru helped us light the flame of spiritual wisdom within our heart. With spiritual wisdom, we realized who we are and we attained that self-realization, true self-realization. Enlightenment and true companionship are found within and not in the external world. This has been our biggest discovery with self-realization. When we found our true self, our true identity of a pure divine soul, that's when we realized that everything that I see outside is a mere reflection of my inner state. Having realized the true self, realized God within, I now see only God all around me. Even in the external world, the whole world is filled with God. Such is the magic of seeing with your internal eyes. है इंद्रियों की शक्तियाँ बाहर की ओर, बाहर से तोड़ करके अंदर में जोड़ दो. कर सकल द्वार बंद, समाधि लगा के देख, अंतःकरण में ज्ञान की ज्योति जला के देख. The senses are always outward facing and we tend to utilize their energy and power in fulfilling material desires in the external world. One desire leads to an endless cycle of material desires, taking us away from the true bliss, which is all about being desireless. A true seeker must therefore break the inclination of senses from external material pleasures to inward connection with God in order to experience the higher bliss of God as compared to the temporary, transient material pleasures, which is far lower source of temporary happiness as compared to the happiness that is derived from the bliss of God, the highest form of happiness which is eternal, always with us. Close all the doors of senses going outward and replace temporary sensory pleasures with eternal joy of the soul, immersing yourself in the devotion of divine within and witnessing the experience of eternal bliss. The same eyes that see dualities of the world can be channelized to see the oneness of the divine. The same ears that listen to unproductive, meaningless chatter can be channelized to listen to satsang teachings, devotional bhajans, and glories of God. The same nose that smells tempting aroma of food or other material sources can be used to smell the divinity of God's presence in the unending, infinite nature, this beautiful universe. The same tongue that is used in saying words that hurt people can be used in talking about glories of God and appreciating people, and so on and so forth. So all the senses can be beautifully channelized for the love of God, for the higher bliss of God. It's all about channelizing our senses which are outward facing towards the divine within. शुद्ध आत्मा में अपनी रचना का ध्यान धर, निश्चय ही झूम जाएगा महिमा का गान कर. श्रद्धा की रूठी हुई देवी मना के देख, अंतःकरण में ज्ञान की ज्योति जला के देख. Contemplate on the divine creation of your own pure divine soul Your determination, Nishchay, will then dance with joy. Your determination of who you are, a pure divine soul, and this self-realization will make you dance with joy, as you yourself are that joy. Sat Chit Anand. You yourself are truth consciousness joy. By recognizing the divine within and this divine truth of who you are, one can experience joy and a sense of connection to the true self. Just keep singing the glory of the divine within. Treat your faith as a revered goddess of Shraddha. Appease the goddess of Shraddha and see the magic. Meaning, strengthen the faith in God, make it unwavering, unshakable, unbreakable, as such a faith will help you surrender unconditionally to the will of God. And then God Himself will guide your every step in life. God will make you contribute to your own growth and to the world around you in mighty ways. साखी पवित्र देव है बिगड़ी बने न क्यों, जीवन ये मेरा भक्ति के रस में भिगे न क्यों, आत्मा के आनंद का जीवन बना के देख, अंतःकरण में ज्ञान की ज्योति जला के देख. Why shouldn't my sacred God help me mend what's broken? Why shouldn't my life be soaked in the essence of devotion? The witness within is so pure and divine. Why would He ever keep us disturbed? He will remove all the disturbances in an instant and give us joy and eternal bliss. So why shouldn't my life be immersed in the nectar of this devotion? When God does so much for me, when God wants to invest so much time with me, why shouldn't I reciprocate God's infinite love? Why shouldn't I make God my purest Sakha, my bestest friend and my companion for life when He is always available for me, accessible to me? And that bliss of devotion is what will make me free, is what will give me liberation. Liberation while I am alive, and help me experience that joy of liberation while I am alive. Jivan Mukti Ka Anand. And that's why this bhajan is again reminding us to make our life all about the bliss of the soul, of who I am, and about my connection with the divine within. And know that when my God is so powerful, so divine, so pure, so holy, so loving, so compassionate, He will make sure that He makes me like Him, full of strength, joy, love, complete, whole, fulfilled. God will mend all that is broken in me. Just make your life all about experiencing this eternal joy of the soul, about devotion of the divine, about complete unconditional surrender to divine will, and about being an instrument of God, to see how every moment becomes meaningful, purposeful, joyful, and eternally blissful. Stay in divine bliss always, in the company of your Sakha, your divine within, your truest friend, your bestest friend. भीतर है सखा तेरा सखा.
भीतर है सखा तेरा सखा, मन लगा के देख, अंतःकरण में ज्ञान की ज्योति जला के देख. भीतर है सखा तेरा सखा, मन लगा के देख, अंतःकरण में ज्ञान की ज्योति जला के देख, ज्योति जला के देख. है इंद्रियों की शक्तियाँ बाहर की ओर अंदर में जोड़ दो, कर सकल द्वार बंद समाधि लगा के देख, कर सकल द्वार बंद समाधि लगा के देख, अंतःकरण में ज्ञान की ज्योति जला के देख, ज्योति जला के देख। शुद्ध आत्मा में अपनी रचना का ध्यान धर, शुद्ध आत्मा में अपनी रचना का ध्यान धर, निश्चय ही झूम जाएगा महिमा का गान कर, निश्चय ही झूम जाएगा महिमा का गान कर। श्रद्धा की रूठी हुई देवी मना के देख, अंतःकरण में ज्ञान की ज्योति जला के देख, ज्योति जला के देख। साखी पवित्र देव है, बिगड़ी बने न क्यों, साखी पवित्र देव है, बिगड़ी बने न क्यों। जीवन ये मेरा भक्ति के रस में भीगे न क्यों, जीवन ये मेरा भक्ति के रस में भीगे न क्यों। आत्मा के आनंद का जीवन बना के देख, आत्मा के आनंद का जीवन बना के देख, अंतःकरण में ज्ञान की ज्योति जला के देख, ज्योति जला के देख। भीतर है सखा तेरा सखा, मन लगा के देख, अंतःकरण में ज्ञान की ज्योति जला के देख, ज्योति जला के देख, ज्योति जला के देख।